Hello Boroda, good morning. My name is Gary Doherty, I'm the Chief Executive at the Health Board. Quality is important, I think, in everything that we do, wherever you are, whether it's hobbies, whether it's work, but fundamentally if you work in the NHS, if you work in health, then quality is, I think, even more important. Making what we do now as good as it can be and then making it better tomorrow is what we'd want for ourselves, for our families, and that's what we're here for. I think it's essential. I think it's essential, but very difficult. I try to get better at what I do, and it'd be great if that was easy. Fundamentally, it doesn't come by accident. I think in any walk of life. So making things better, making it better today, making it better every day, finding different ways to do things, trying different ways to do things. That's what it's about for me. And as I said before, if we can't do that in the NHS, then I think that really would be sad. The good news is that I know everybody is really committed to do it. That's why they went into the NHS. That's why they want to make a difference. So quality improvement, I think, in the NHS needs to be at the heart of everything that we do. Well, I'd really encourage people to try and take the opportunity. It's online, you can do things from that perspective, so hopefully that's convenient for people. Clearly there are people that you can talk to and get in touch with as well, maybe once you've gone through some of that. I don't think quality improvement is easy, and I don't think it comes about through accident. If you look at every walk of life where people do it well, whether it's sport, music, whether it's industry, whether it's health, people set about to do it. It doesn't just stumble across everybody, but equally it needs to be fun, it needs to be enjoyable. I think the QI Hub hopefully helps people do that. It can help them with what they're doing, it can put them in touch with people, it can help them with training, it can hopefully just give them some more clubs in their bag or arrows in their backsack if you want. And as I say, hopefully people have got time to do it, it won't take them long. Jump on the website and have a go.